Hello everyone, Vinay this side. In last video we saw how to install DhanHQ Tradingview Chrome extension. In this video I will demonstrate how you can configure the TradingView extension so that it would be used in tv.dhan.co website. Okay, so let me click on this extension. So after your subscription is being success, so you will be taken you to the next page where all your configurations are available. Starting from the first, so this is the first settings you want to do it. API token. So how to get this DhanHQ API token? All you have to do is go to web.dhan.co, go to your profile, go to DhanHQ Trading API and Access. Okay, let me just remove that blur. Okay, and once you come to this DhanHQ Trading APIs and Access page, you will see an access token here. Click on this access token. Here you can see a create new. Okay, click on this create new, give the name, and then how much time this token needs to be valid. So 8 hours, 24 hours, 7 days, 15 days, 13 days. I'll go with 30 days and then click on generate token. Okay. Once it's been generated, you will get the token here. Just copy this token, go to this extension, paste it. Okay. So this is our first step. And then, you have options like default order type, which order type you want to use. Let all your orders go with limit and bracket order, then you can by default it's selected. If you want to go with market, you can always choose market, or if you want to go with other type, right, stop limit. Or if you don't want to choose anything, then you can just choose none, and then it's not interacted with any of the trading view UX functionality. It will always allow you to place an order whatever you are clicking on the chart. Okay, this for the order type. Let me select default, and next settings is one click. So one click, this is something which will place order immediately when you select a one click. It will not open order window. Instead, you press a shortcut key, automatically the order will be placed based on the configuration, but it will be available only for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Fin Nifty. But for one click order modification is something where if there is of a same order type, let's say limit and bracket order you chosen, right? Like once a bracket order has been executed, you will have multiple stop loss order and multiple target order if your order has been split. In that case, you want to modify at one shot. Let's say if you have 10 stop loss order for one script, right? You want to set the stop loss by modifying one order. Automatically, it will modify the all the pending orders with a similar type. That's for this one click modification. And one click cancellation, something similar to the same thing. You might have placed 10 different orders and then you decided I want to cancel an order. So you can click on cancel normally from tv.dhan.co, and then automatically it will cancel all the orders based on that script, site, transaction site. That's for the one click. And then this is where equity configuration, you can set per trade how much capital you want to allocate. So let's say if you have 1 lakh rupees, you want to allocate 10% of 1 lakh rupees, that is 10,000. You can set. So based on this, your quantity will be automatically filled. Like the leverage what Dhan provides is a 5x. So this capital into 5 times of this amount divided by that stock price, the quantity will be filled in the quantity input automatically. So you don't need to feed in any of the quantity. You just need to feed in your price, whatever you want to decide to place it. And then if you are choosing a bracket order or cover order, you want to go with the stop loss, right? So you can set the stop loss in terms of percentage. This is for equity. So you can set a percentage like 1%, 2%, or like, what is the target percentage. So based on the price you entered at the price field, the stop loss and target will be calculated automatically and that will be filled. So you don't need to worry about it. So these all, make use of this configuration, and the order will automatically fill. And you will see a FNO configurations here. So FNO configuration here, you will have how many number of lots you want to place for one order. Let's say if you want to always go with 10 lots per trade, right? So you can choose 10 lots. So you don't need to worry about what is the quantity for each script. Like Nifty might be 50, Bank Nifty might be 25. Tomorrow it might be changing to some other quantity, right? So you don't need to worry about it. You always determine how many lots you want to place. That's it, not in terms of quantity, in terms of lots you have to define here. And then for again Bank Nifty and Nifty, we set a stop loss separately. For Nifty and Bank Nifty, like sometimes we got a feedback that for Nifty and Bank Nifty, or like any options trade, like if you put a percentage basis, sometimes the premium is high in terms of percentage than the stop loss would be too high when compared to the capital. So people preferred always, go with a fixed number of points where, you take a trade with 100 rupees as an entry price, and you want to set a stop loss of like 10 rupees. Basically, like if you are placing a buy order of 100 rupees, your stop loss would be placed at 90 rupees. And then similarly for the target order, it would be placed at 130 rupees, right? So the profit and loss determined based on this points. It's not in terms of percentage, it's an ideal value. Okay, so Bank Nifty, we separated it out because Bank Nifty there might be chance like you want to give more target, because the premium used to be around like 200, 300, 400, something like that. But Nifty, it would be around something around on the expiry date. It mostly ranges between like 10, 20, 40. So if you put the same numbers in Nifty and Bank Nifty, you will have a huge number of stop loss will be set by default, right? That's why like we split the Bank Nifty separately. And yeah, so with all the settings, what you have to do is like you want to click on save. um, okay, now your settings have been saved, and you see successfully saved notification here. And one last thing is there is a toggler here, okay, at the top level section. So now all your configurations are being saved, but if you not enable this toggler, your plugin is of no use. It acts as like, not available for the tv.dhan.co. So you have to go and enable, and then you have to click save. Okay, so you have to always enable this if you want to use this extension. Why we have a separate toggle here, meaning, so sometimes you want to go with this extension, but sometimes you decided I want to go without this extension, right? So but I don't want to remove this extension, or like I don't want to go to extension page like this, and then you can change it or remove it, so that it would be removed from your Chrome browser permanently. We don't want to do that. That's the reason like we made this toggler. You enable or disable, all other settings will remain as is based on your previous configuration. Okay, now yeah, it's all saved. All you have to do is whenever you do a save, you have to force refresh the tv.dhan.co page. If you're not refreshing, this value will not get impacted. Okay, yeah, that's it. Thank you. Bye.